हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ गगनदीप एंड आई वेलकम यू ऑल ऑन अवर यूट्यूब चैनल नेम प्राउड एनसीसी। आज की इस वीडियो में हम एनसीसी के एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम से रिलेटेड इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि आपके एनसीसी के एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम में आ सकते हैं। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन जो आज की क्लास का है वो ये है कि विच इज़ द नेशनल एनिमल ऑफ इंडिया। आपको चार ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं, इनमें से आपको ये बताना है कि इनमें से नेशनल एनिमल ऑफ इंडिया कौन है। तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी यानी कि टाइगर इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर। सो टाइगर इज़ द नेशनल एनिमल ऑफ इंडिया। Let's move towards the question number 2. Question number 2 is when was the Indian Constitution adopted? Very important question but little bit confusing. When was the Indian Constitution adopted? If it is asked then when was the Indian Constitution adopted, then the answer will be 26th of November 1949. तो 26 नवंबर 1949 को जो है इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को अडोप्ट किया गया था। लेकिन अगर यहाँ पे इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इम्प्लीमेंटेड आता है यानी कि लागू कब किया गया, देन दी आंसर विल बी 26 ऑफ जनवरी 1950। सो दोनों आंसर आपको ध्यान रखने हैं। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है कि व्हेन वाज द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अडोप्टेड, देन द आंसर विल बी 26 ऑफ नवंबर 1949। बट इफ द क्वेश्चन इज व्हेन वाज द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इम्प्लीमेंटेड, देन द आंसर विल बी 26 ऑफ जनवरी 1950। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच रिवर इज नोन एज द सोरो ऑफ बिहार। सोरो ऑफ बिहार के नाम से किस रिवर को जाना जाता है, देन द आंसर इज कोसी। सो कोसी इज द रिवर नोन एज द सोरो ऑफ बिहार। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज द स्मॉलेस्ट स्टेट इन इंडिया बाई एरिया। एरिया वाइज विच इज द स्मॉलेस्ट स्टेट इन इंडिया area wise, then the answer is Goa. So Goa. And if it is asked then the area wise which is the largest state area wise, then the Rajasthan is the largest state according to the area. According to the population, if it is asked that which is the largest state, then it will become UP, Uttar Pradesh. Next question, what is the official language of the Indian Union as per the constitution? So according to the constitution, the official language it is we are talking about the official language. So official language is Hindi is the official language. Next question is which state in India has the highest population. So I have already told you that Uttar Pradesh in India has the highest population. According to the population, Uttar Pradesh UP is the biggest state. According to the area, Rajasthan is the biggest state. Next question, who was the first president of India? So Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. अगर पूछा जाता है कि फर्स्ट पीएम ऑफ इंडिया कौन थे, देन द आंसर विल बी जवाहरलाल नेहरू वाज द फर्स्ट पीएम ऑफ इंडिया. सो प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया वाज द जवाहरलाल नेहरू एंड द फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया वाज द डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच स्टेट वाज द फर्स्ट टू बी फॉर्म्ड ऑन द लिंग्विस्टिक बेसिस. On the linguistic basis, which was the first state to be formed, then it was the Andhra Pradesh, AP. It formed on the basis of the language. So tell me in the comment box what is the language of Andhra Pradesh. Which language? So tell me the language in the comment box. Next question is what is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. You have to remember all the capitals of the state and union territories. So Arunachal Pradesh की capital जो है that is Itanagar. Tell me in the comment box what is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Next question, which of the following is a union territory of India out of options given? Sikkim is a state, Manipur is a state, Tripura is a state. So Lakshadweep is the correct answer. Option number C is the correct answer. So option number C, Lakshadweep is a union territory of India. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Coastline is the answer is Gujarat, around 7,000 above than 7,000 kilometer, if I am not wrong. Let's do check it. So which Indian state has the longest coastline? So Gujarat is the correct answer here. Next, what is the national tree of India? So banyan tree is the national tree of India. Next question, which is the largest state in India by area? By area I already told you. So Rajasthan is the largest state by area in India. How many languages are listed in the English 8th schedule? In 8th schedule of the constitution there are 22 languages. So you have to remember that how many languages? 22 languages in the 8th schedule of the Indian constitution. Which is the southernmost point of India? Southernmost point of India, north, south, east and west. So southernmost the point is southernmost point we are talking about is the Indira Point. Indira Point. Next, which Indian state has the highest literacy rate? So Kerala, everyone knows, has the highest literacy rate. Next question, what is the national sports of India? So hockey is the national sports of India. Recently in the Paris Olympic 2024 we got bronze medal in hockey. Next, which of the following is the highest civilian award? Civilian award, if you are talking about, that is Bharat Ratan. Bharat Ratan is the highest civilian award. But if we are talking about highest gallantry award, then it will become the Paramveer Chakra, PVC. Paramveer Chakra, if we are talking about the gallantry award. But if we are talking about the civilian award, then it becomes the Bharat Ratan. Next question, which is the oldest mountain range in India? So Aravalli is the oldest mountain range in India. It is found in Rajasthan, Haryana, Delhi. These are the states where Aravalli is found. It is known as the oldest mountain range. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? So Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as the Iron Man of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, option number C is the correct answer. महात्मा गांधी फादर ऑफ इंडिया के नाम से जाना जाता है. जवाहरलाल नेहरू वाज द फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर. ओके. एंड बी आर अम्बेडकर हु drafted head of the drafting committee of the constitution. Next, which tribe is found in the Andaman and Nicobar Island? So important question है. Onge tribe is found in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. So next is, which Indian state has the highest number of MPs in the Lok Sabha? Obviously Uttar Pradesh has the highest number of MPs. MPs means member of parliament. Member of parliament. So remember this full form of MP. Which Indian state is famous for its chicken curry? Chicken curry is a art, embroidery art, and UP, Uttar Pradesh, is famous for its chicken curry art. For Bihar there is an art, famous art. You have to tell me in the comment box. For Bihar, Madhubani. Next, which is the largest desert in India? So largest desert in India is Thar Desert. Thar Desert is the largest desert in India. Option number A is the correct answer. Run of Kutch is in Gujarat. Ladakh Desert is in Ladakh. Deccan Plateau is in the south. Next, which court is the highest judicial body in India? So apex court is the Supreme Court. Highest court, greatest court is the Supreme Court. There is no court above the Supreme Court. So Supreme Court, then the High Court. According if you are talking about these options, then I am telling you this about first is Supreme Court, after then it become the High Court, after then it become the, you have to see this. Next, so these questions cover the various aspect of the syllabus and are likely to be beneficial for preparing for the NCC entrance exam. I hope these questions will help you in your upcoming exam. So to see this type of video, you can subscribe to our channel for next video. Up till next video, thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.